Hello, my name is Dayane Parker, and I am one of the registered dietitians here at North Kansas City Hospital. And today I would like to talk to you about carbohydrate counting. So why do we need to count carbohydrates? Why is this important? For people with diabetes, it's very important to count carbohydrates because you know how much insulin should you do before and after your feedings. And sometimes if you can do a carbohydrate control diet, you can better control your diabetes just with the food. So what counts as a carbohydrate? What is a carbohydrate? So for the vegetables, we count corn, peas, and potatoes. Those are gonna be the ones that are gonna spike your blood sugar more, and of course sweet potatoes too. All the fruits have carbohydrates, bananas being the highest on carbohydrates, and then all the berries are gonna be very low on carbohydrates, very high in fiber. And then of course we have things like cereals, oatmeal, and the portion size, of course, is what matters. And then, of course, we have things like beans and legumes who are carbohydrates too. Alcohol has carbohydrates too. Some of them are higher than other ones. Beer, of course, it has carbohydrates. Wine is gonna have a little bit of carbohydrates too. Bread is gonna have carbohydrates. White bread and whole wheat bread are very similar on carbohydrate content. The difference is the fiber, and that's what we usually recommend, whole wheat bread. But the carbohydrate group is a big group, and what matters is that you can enjoy food and eat a little of everything, especially sweets. It's okay to eat sweets, but you just have to be mindful of the serving size. This will count as one carbohydrate choice or around 20 grams of carbohydrates. So that's the serving size that we're looking for when we're eating something sweet. For cereal, 1 cup. This is what we're looking for when we're doing carbohydrate counting. And this is 1 cup too, right? Milk has carbohydrates too, so you have to count that when you're doing your cereal. The serving size of a banana is about this medium size. Potatoes, of course, that's the serving size of potatoes. And when you're doing mashed potatoes, you have to be mindful too of the serving size. This is about 3 ounces. Fruits, we want to do 1 cup of fruit. That's usually a serving size of carbohydrates. And of course, when we're doing pasta, rice, quinoa, couscous, all those kind of grains, we want to stay around 1 cup, and that will be a serving size of carbohydrates. Thank you.